Welcome to the job description for the recruiter slash CSM for Nomadic Closer. We are recruiting internally. I'm going to talk about myself for a second. I am the founder of Nomadic Closer, and we've been running this since 2021. So it's been a few years. Who are we? What do we do? So we're a staffing agency for closers, setters, CSMs, sales managers, C-suites, and VAs. So businesses that have high ticket offers, that are fed up of asking closers for referrals. Those closers are sending their best friends that aren't particularly a good closer. Things don't work, people lose money. So what we do, we make sure that we vet and send over the best of the best for the offer. But also, in terms of a CSM, like what do we actually need you to do? Not only do we need you to recruit, make sure that they are the best of the best, hand them over with the onboarding, we want you to have an ongoing relationship with that founder. Why? Because they'll come back, they'll need more closers, more setters. And as you're building up relationships with these founders, your job is to truly understand what they're missing in their business and suggest what they need. So, not so much a coach, but more understanding what they need and then providing solutions. We have a massive list of power partners that we work with. So let's say, for example, you've built up a relationship with a client of ours and you realize they need a cold email marketing guy. You go to our Rolodex, you introduce them to our cold email marketing guy. They get placed with the cold email marketer. We get commission, you get commission, everyone makes money, and the ball keeps rolling. So again, go through the job description. If you feel like this is for you, where you've had sales experience, recruiting experience, CSM experience, reach out because we are growing. Now, this is the first time we are recruiting for this offer, for this position. It's a new position. So looking forward to meeting you. Please send me over an intro video on why you think you'll be a good fit for this offer. And tell me a bit about you, like away from business. What do you like doing? What is your mission? What is your vision? Like, what do you stand for? So that's it from me. Looking forward to meeting you. Best of luck.